Hello students, today we will start a new topic, a new chapter in life skill which is name is humility. What is the meaning of humility? Humility means quality of being humble. If you have a quality of humble, then you have a humility. Humble means you can say that politeness. There are some moral thoughts which you have to understand. Humility is a positive quality of character. What is humility? Here is also written as humility is a positive quality of a character. It shows your positive quality of a character. Okay, your character is very positive. You are a positive thinker. That means you have a humility in your nature. It means you are a humble. Humility makes our mind and spirit grow. If you are a humble nature, then definitely your mind and spirits will grow. Your thinking power will be increased. Humility helps us in our search for knowledge. What humility do? Humility helps in our nature for searching the knowledge. Humility helps us to be helpful and kind. Humility also helps in our nature that help us helpful in our nature and kind. Humility also shows that kindness of your nature. That means you are a kind person. There are some value gems which you have to know about it. Be humble and not proud. Arrogance makes you shout aloud. If you are humble, if you don't proud yourself so much, arrogance makes you shout aloud. And if you are an arrogant person, it means you will shout always. That makes you shout. If you are arrogant, that makes you shout. If you are arrogant in nature, you always be a shout to others. Humility makes you wise. So be humble in your life. If you will be humble in your life, that makes you wiser in nature. That makes you wiser. So humility makes you wise. Be humble in your life. So these all are value gems which you all have to remember every time. There are some questions which you have to give the answers. We had already discussed in Google Meet class, online classes. Do you believe in virtue of humility? Are you a humble person or arrogant? Do you show humility in life? Do you believe that humility is the road to glory? So you have to ask by yourself and you have to find out answers by yourself. Okay, class? So let's start our story. Our story is seeking help. In Mahabharata, as a preparation for the great war between Kauravas and Pandavas were being made, both the Kauravas and Pandavas tried to get the support of more and more kings from far and wide. You know that in Mahabharata there was a great war between Kauravas and Pandavas. They both want the support of more and more kings from other villages, from more far and wide, because they both want to win the war. That's why they want a support of other kings also. Krishna was the king of Dwarka. As you know that Dwarka king is Krishna. He was a great warrior and he had a huge Chaturangini army called Narayani Sena. You all know that Krishna was the great warrior. With help of Krishna, you all know that Arjun win the war. and he was a great warrior, and he was a huge Narayani Sena, which also known as Chaturangini army. Both Kauravas and Pandavas wanted Krishna on their side because they both want to win the war. That's why they both wanted Krishna on their side. Duryodhan went to Krishna to ask for his support. He reached Krishna's palace, but at that time Krishna was taking a nap. Krishna was taking a nap. Nap means a small sleep. So when the Duryodhan went to Krishna's palace, he saw that Krishna was taking a nap. Duryodhan, the Kaurava prince, was full of pride. Who was the king of Kauravas? Duryodhan. And he was full of pride. So he went and stood beside Krishna's head. He was full of pride. You all know that. The meaning of pride is, suppose, Ghamand. And he stood beside Krishna's head. This all shows, this nature of Duryodhan shows that he stood beside Krishna's head because he was a pride man. A few minutes later, Arjun, the Pandava prince was Arjun. Few minutes later, he came to Krishna to ask him to support the Pandavas in the war. So, both of them came to Krishna to ask for his support. Seeing him, Duryodhan went quickly and took a seat beside Krishna's head and waited for him to wake up. जैसे उसने अर्जुन को देखा दुर्योधन ने, quickly he went and took a seat beside Krishna's head, and they both were waiting for wake up of Krishna. Arjun, as he was full of humility and modesty, you all know that the meaning of humility is being a humble, and modesty means the act of showing reserve nature. Reserve nature means बहुत ज़्यादा किसी से घुलना मिलना नहीं, बात नहीं करना. Reserve nature, reserve minded, but he was humble in nature also. Remained standing beside Krishna's feet, but Arjun thought that he should stand beside Krishna's feet, waiting for, क्या वेट कर रहा था? कृष्णा के उठने का. After a while, Krishna woke up and his eyes fell on Arjun, who was standing beside his feet. जैसे कृष्णा ने आंखें खोली, as he woke up, he just saw the Arjun who was standing beside his feet. Then Krishna turned around and he saw Duryodhan. After that, Krishna turned around his head and he saw Duryodhan, who stood beside his head. He wanted to know why they were both there at that hour. वो क्या जानना चाहते थे कि वो 1 घंटे से वहाँ पे क्यों खड़े थे. Arjun said, "Now you know that the battle will take place soon. I need you my side." Now Arjun said to the Krishna that you know that now battle will take place soon. जल्दी होने वाली है battle. I need you by my side. Duryodhan said that I have also come here to take help from you. मैं भी यहाँ से आपसे मदद लेने आया हूँ, and I have come before Arjun, so you have to give me my wish first. I came first before Arjun, so you have to fulfill my wish first. Duryodhan said that. At this, Krishna smiled and said, "It is true that you came before Arjun, but due to your pride, you sat near my head, whereas due to humility, Arjun chose to stand near my feet." Krishna smiled, and what he said? He said that Duryodhan, you are very pride in nature, and that's why you stood beside my head. But the Arjun was humility in nature. That's why he stand near my feet. Thus I saw him first, because he was sleeping when both the kings were prince were came here. How should he know that who come first? He saw the Arjun stood stand near his feet. So he believed that he got the first chance. So he will be given the first chance, as the Krishna said that. Beside, he is younger than you, and he is also younger than you. That's why I am giving the first chance to Arjun. So he should have the first choice. To one of you I will give my army, and to other I will give my moral support, because I will not fight in the war. Krishna said that I will not fight in the war, but I will give my army to one of you, and other will got the moral support and knowledge of my उसकी नॉलेज को चाहता था दूसरा, और उनका मॉरल सपोर्ट मिलता अगर वो आर्मी को छोड़ता. वन ऑफ यू विल हैव मी अलोन एंड अदर कैन हैव माई वास्ट आर्मी. One person will got me alone, and the other person got my vast army. So choose wisely. This is depend on you. Choose wisely. What do you want? Duryodhan did not like this idea, but assessing the delicacy of his own situation, he kept quiet. दुर्योधन को आइडिया पसंद नहीं आया, बट ऐसी सिचुएशन थी कि वो क्वाइट रहा. When Krishna looked at Arjun without wasting a second, he chose Krishna's moral support. Without wasting the time, Arjun chose Krishna's moral support. Arjun knew that Krishna's support and guidance, the Pandava would certainly win the war. So Arjun knew that with Krishna's support and guidance, we can win the war. He said with great joy, I want only you. When Duryodhan heard Arjun's choice, he was very happy, because Duryodhan precisely want Krishna's army. He was foolish enough to think that Krishna, who wouldn't even fight in the war, would be of no use to him. Krishna's huge army would certainly be of help. Duryodhan thought that Krishna was not fighting in the war. So why I will choose to Krishna? Arjun is foolish because he chose Krishna. He was not fighting in the war. What would he do? And the huge army will help me a lot. So Duryodhan thought, what a stupid fellow Arjun is. He wants Krishna's alone. So Duryodhan thought that Arjun was a foolish, stupid. He chose a Krishna alone. Krishna said to Arjun, you want me, but I will not fight. I can only be your charioteer. Charioteer means सारथी, राह दिखाने वाला. So Krishna said that, Arjun, you want me, but I will not fight. I will only be your charioteer. Duryodhan felt, what could Krishna do alone and unarmed? The best thing for him was to have Krishna's army. Duryodhan thought that the best thing was Krishna's army, which helped me to win the war. But Arjun, being an illumined person, said to himself, what shall I do with his army? Arjun thought that, what shall I do with his army? The best thing is to have the Lord with me. मेरे साथ तो भगवान है. The Lord will be able to protect me, and the Lord will bring me the victory. ये Lord ही मुझे victory दिलाएंगे. Arjun wanted Krishna, whereas Duryodhan wanted the entire army of Krishna. So the matter was solved amicably. Matter solve हो गया. And both got what they thought was the best for them. In this way, Arjun got the best deal due to his humility and won the war. Because Arjun was a humble person, he has a humility and a modesty. That's why he won the war. So what is the moral thought? Moral thought is being a humble in nature, don't be arrogance, because humble and modesty helps you to win every war and thinks a lot. It will increase your mind capability to think a lot beyond your mind. आप अपने थॉट से ज़्यादा सोच सकते हो इफ़ यू आर अ हम्बल इन नेचर. सो दिस इज़ द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी. थैंक यू क्लास.